Hi everyone, I'm Melissa and I'm joined by Martin McSweeney today, who's over in the UK. Hi Martin, thanks for joining me.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, good. So Martin is the head of business development for Alpha Software over in the UK, and he's also the founder and head of development at cmits.net, a data management solutions company. So Martin's here with me because he has some exciting news to share with the developers over in the UK. So Martin, I know you've been working on these two pieces of news that we're about to share since we opened our office in September. So let's get to it. What have you been working on?
Well, we've been working very hard in the background, although it may seem that we've not been doing very much. We're building a brand new website, looking at a proper strategy for developing the business in the UK, and bring out some quite exciting opportunities, we think, for alpha developers over here as well.
Wonderful. So where's this new website going to be located?
Well, you can get to the website at www.alphasoftware.co.uk, and everything's there. We've just gone live today, so there might be a few little snags, but we're happy and we're pleased with it, so we're looking forward to people coming to visit us.
Wonderful. So what's available on it? If I'm a developer and I want to know a little bit more about Alpha 5, what am I going to find on the website?
Well, you're going to get all the usual stuff that you would expect to find at an alpha site, in the sense that we've got all the materials that are also on the US site as well. But we've built a special presence for the UK, so we're focusing our attention on UK developers, so we provide a home for those developers to work with us. Because one of the strategies that we're trying to put together is to also look at how we can bring business to alpha, as well as bringing developers to the alpha product as well. Because what we want to try and do is build an overarching strategy where we can talk to business about what alpha can deliver for their businesses, which means that we can then develop a UK developer network so that we can bring work to alpha developers in the UK.
That's great. I'm sure a lot of our UK developers are going to be thrilled that they're going to have a home on the web to go to for Alpha 5. Now, one of the bits of information they're going to find on the new website is about a conference. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Indeed, yes. We thought it'd be a great idea, and Richard and I talked about it for a long time, as to how we were going to launch the UK office, and we were sort of looking at whether we should do it while 10.5 was still around. We should focus on version 11, and we opted to work towards doing a UK release that coincided roughly in line with the version 11 release, which, as we know, is up and coming. So we thought that what we'd do is do a developer conference where we could bring the UK developers together, give them a great opportunity to meet Selwyn and Richard and Bob Moore and the development team from Alpha. So they're all flying in on the day before, I think. But it gives them a chance to actually meet people that are actually put faces to names, so to speak. So that's really exciting for us, and I'm hoping that the UK development community will want to come along. It's a free conference, and if you go to www.alphasoftware.co.uk, on the homepage there you'll see an opportunity where you can actually register for the conference. Now, the only thing that I would say, of course, is that there are limited places. You know, get there early is my suggestion, because we've only got a limited number of spots.
That's good to know, and it's great that it's free. And where is it taking place again?
Yeah, it's at the London Hilton at the Heathrow Airport. So I think those people that came on the UK training, it's the same hotel that people that came on the UK training last year. So it's a familiar venue for many.
Okay, great. So if I'm in the UK though and I can't happen to make this conference, will anything be available online afterwards? Do you plan on sharing anything that's being discussed there so that we can check it out later?
Yes, we are. We'll put a set of resources up that reflect what happened at the event, and also some video clips we're hoping as well. We've got a photographer coming especially to actually record the day as a photojournalistic event as well, so it's all very cool.
Wonderful. So those were the two big pieces of news we wanted to share with all of our developers in the UK. Martin, is there anything that we missed or left out that you can think of?
No, I think what we're trying to do, Melissa, is just give a home to this UK developer base, and we want to get to know them so they can get to know us, so that we can bring work to them. The whole idea is to build this community so that we can spread the word about Alpha. I mean, we're extremely excited about what's coming in version 11. I mean, the opportunities that this presents for developers is phenomenal. We think it's a great business opportunity for any UK developer to get involved. And we just think, you know, we want to get moving on it. We're excited and we want to welcome people along.
Yeah, I think it's a great way to kick it off with the release of version 11 too. I mean, we have so much exciting new features coming out with it, especially the mobile development framework, which is just going to open a lot of doors for developers to, you know, stop having to master, you know, 6 or 7 different languages and really just focus on HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript to produce, you know, one app that's going to run everywhere. It's going to save them a lot of time and help make their clients happier and end users happier too.
Yeah, I think that, you know, one of the great strengths that Alpha brings to the table is this unified approach to development. You know, whether you're developing something for a laptop or a desktop machine, or whether you're going to take it out on the road, or whether you're going to use an iPad, the gesture support, all the kind of things that are forward-looking in terms of development and opportunities. Alpha's bringing it together in one package, and it's almost like sort of a Swiss Army knife for developers. It's got everything there, and it means that we're going to have this opportunity to really shake up the actual development world and say, look, this is what can be achieved. I mean, the new video component, you know, being able to have one unified video to actually display information. I mean, for me as a developer, and also looking at what we're doing with CMITs as well, it's just, I know, having been an Access developer, that there are certain people out there in the Access community that would just, if they just knew about this, and we want to get that message out there, would just, it's an ideal opportunity.
Yes, it certainly is. Well, Martin, thank you so much for sharing this news with us on the Alpha Software blog. But before we sign off, just real quick, can you tell our UK developers again the new website address and where they can go to register for the conference?
Indeed, yes. If they go to www.alphasoftware.co.uk, on that front page there, they'll see a big orange panel on the right-hand side that says register. So come and join us.
Wonderful. All right, thanks again, Martin, and let's catch up after the developers conference.
Won't wait. Good to speak to you.